This might be the world's shortest lesson ever because this is a big review. Today we're going to talk about synonyms and antonyms, and you will be seeing this a lot in bell ringers, so it's super important that you pay attention. I know you know this. Synonyms are words that mean the same. Good. Antonyms, it's anti. It means the opposite of. Okay, let's look at some examples. Synonyms and antonyms. A synonym is a word that has the same or almost the same meaning as another word. For example, big and large mean about the same thing. You can be cold or you can be chilly. It's about the same thing. So what's a synonym for mad? This kid looks mad. A synonym would be a word that means the same as mad. Would that be happy, angry, or smart? The answer is angry. Nice job. So antonym is the opposite. Any word that means the opposite of another word is an antonym. For example, the antonym of happy, or the opposite of happy, would be sad, and the opposite of hot would be cold. So what's the antonym for big? Would the opposite of big be little, giant, or cold? The antonym for big is little. Fantastic. So we're going to read these sentences, and you're going to have to, I want you to think about this. Don't shout it out, especially, I mean, you can shout it out if you're at home. Don't shout it out if you're sitting in class. The student was silent during class. What's another word or a synonym for silent? Okay, the student was quiet during class. Good. The room was very bright. What's an antonym for bright? So antonym is the opposite. So instead of the room was very bright, we can say the room was very dark. Good. The frog jumped into the pond. What's a synonym for jumped? Word that means the same as jumped could be the frog hopped into the pond. Good. The towel was very wet. What's an antonym for wet? The opposite of wet would be the towel was very dry. Good. And now you know all about synonyms and antonyms. You have 2 assignments now, one on synonyms, one on antonyms. Pay very close attention. Make sure you know which one you're answering about. You don't want to get all the answers wrong because you had them confused in your head. All right? Go check that out. Show me what you know.